Are you sitting comfortably? Because it's Grandma's story time. Let's see what adventures we're going to get up to today. Sonny's wonderful wellies. When Sonny's grandma gave him a pair of red Wellington boots, Sonny tried them on immediately. "They're wonderful," he said. "Thank you very much." Sonny wore his Wellingtons all morning in the house. When they went shopping at lunchtime, Sonny hoped it would rain, but it didn't. Sonny wore his Wellingtons anyway. Sonny wore them to tea at his friend's house. And he wore them when watching television. Sonny even wore them to bed. The next day, Sonny looked out the window. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. "Why doesn't it rain?" he said crossly. "I want to stomp and splash in my wonderful wellies." After playgroup, it was sunny. He began to walk home, big tears in his eyes. "Never mind," said Grandma. "I have an idea." Soon, Sonny was stomping and splashing and having a lovely time. When Mum came home, she joined Sonny in the paddling pool. They had so much fun, Sonny said that he didn't care if it ever rained again. But you'll never guess what happened. I think it's raining. The end. I do like wearing wellies and jumping in puddles. It's great fun. Remember, Grandma loves you. Mwah, 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 mwah.